Hey, this is Jill with the Customer Success Team with my tip of the week for Monday, April 20th. What I wanted to review today is just how you can use TenMarks Math Teach to really demonstrate high value to your teachers. Every time you log into TenMarks, you're presented with an option to go between TenMarks Math, which is where you can assign student work, or TenMarks Math Teach, which is where you can find teaching resources. So one of the new favorite things for me is to go to TenMarks Math Teach, and you'll notice that my default page that I come to is where my curriculum is loaded. But I love this search bar. And the search bar is where you can find literally a searchable library of all of your lessons, videos, and amplifiers that already exist in TenMarks. So whenever you're working in TenMarks Math, you probably are aware that the TenMarks Math program has the the video and amplifier resources. When you think about our kind of circle of life video where you do the instruction and then you assign the assignments, built into each of these assignments is a video, and then if the students do not succeed with 70% or more success on the assignments, they're given the amplifier. And basically inside TenMarks Math Teach, we've now made these really valuable resources, the videos and the amplifiers, searchable for teachers. So if I were to just go looking for, say, slope, what I'm going to find is all of the different resources. In this case, there's a video, or it's black, so it's an amplifier, a lesson relating to 8EE5, slope in the equation of a line 8EE6. And what starts getting really interesting is when you explore slope, you'll notice it kind of goes between 8th grade and algebra. But teachers may not know specifically what the standards are, or for instance, what do I need to know before I would teach slope? So if I'm looking at this resource here, the amplifier is going to give me all of that sort of core tutorial concept about slope and intercepts. And this is what we always call our 10 to 15 minute tutorial. It's excellent for review purposes or even to help introduce this topic if you don't have a full-blown TenMarks Math Teach lesson. So a lot of teachers just want to know, what do you have? Well, this lesson under 8EE5 really does help explore kind of both the two proportional relationships being represented in different ways, and that the unit rate is the slope of a graph. But before you are ready to do that, you need to know 6RP3A, 6RP2, and 7RP2. And all of this is incredibly helpful for teachers who are beginning to get more and more comfortable with, what I'm teaching and how does that relate to the Common Core standards. So of course the best resources in Teach are the lessons when you have those. So when you begin the lesson, you've got all of those great 5 tools. You've got the assess readiness, the student misconceptions, the warm-ups, and then the focus lessons to introduce and build concept strength for this particular topic, 8EE5. But it's really helpful for every teacher at every level who is trying to kind of find something like, I'm teaching quadratics, but I don't know yet by heart what is the Common Core standard for quadratics. So solving quadratic equations by factoring, that's going to be something that we have a lot of resources for. But if you're looking for the different kind of flavors of quadratics, this indicator here on the right side shows me that this is the A-REI-4B. Another element of that would be comparing, which is under FLE3. And then finally, if I wanted to actually find something like to assign a student work on this topic, A-REI. I actually like to just cut and paste that, put it up here in my search bar, and now I'm going to pop over to TenMarks Math, where I can go to my assignments and my algebra class. And now you can see how important that idea of kind of what the specific topic is, because if I'm searching by standards, like it doesn't say slope anywhere on this list, or I may have to go and find it, but reasoning with equations and inequalities is the expanded version of A-RE. So if I click here, now I'm going to be able to look and see, oh, A-REI-4B, this is going to give me that specific quadratic equation piece, and I can assign work to my students. So I hope that you've learned a little something through this short video. Just one of my favorite ways these days to demonstrate the value of TenMarks Math Teach, because almost invariably teachers are, trying to move to Common Core, but they don't know quite intuitively yet where they are. And this searchable library of resources that you could just put in, I'm teaching fractions, or I'm teaching whatever the common term is. This is going to be a part of TenMarks Math next year, but right now it really helps demonstrate the value of TenMarks Math Teach. That's it for your tip of the week. Hope you enjoyed.